but you could really write almost anything from the article here. So a lightning bolt is a large release of static electricity. I'm going to just keep it at that. Oh, fix my typo. Large release of static electricity. Okay. So now step 2 is make my in-text citation. So to make the in-text citation, I'm going to go back to my notes to remember how to do that. In-text citation. So we're going to use, it's going to go after the fact, but before the period. And we're going to use the parentheses with author, last name, and year published. So just to give you a visual reminder, it's going to look something like this. Right? After our fact, last name, year published, in parentheses, comma in between. Alright, so for us, we're going to put it right here, parentheses, and then we need to know the author's last name. So to find the author's last name, we're going to go back to the article. You see here it's by Chris Woodford. So the last name is Woodford. Put a comma. Then we need the year published, December 19, 2018. So the year is 2018. Great. So we've just done steps 1, summarize the fact, and 2, make our in-text citation. So now we're going to move to this lower box to step 3, make our reference. So to make the reference, we're going to go back to the reference guide for on slide 8. So we're going to find the last name, which you already know. We need that first initial. So his first name is Chris. We're going to use a C. What else do we need? So now we need the year, month, and date in parentheses. So we got the year already, 2018. We need the month. I think it was December or 12. December. And then we need the date, which is 19. Put a period. We need the title of the page. The title of the page is Static Electricity. We need site name. So the site name in this is from explainthatstuff.com. So this is what we're going to use for the site name. Explain that stuff. And then finally we need the URL. The URL should be at the bottom of your printout. If it's not at the bottom, what you're going to need to do is, okay, this is a link. So you're going to have to go back to the website and just copy it like I'm doing right now. Alright, so now we have our full reference. That was step 3. So now on your notes you should have completed both of these boxes with your fact, your in-text citation, and then your full reference underneath. So next we're going to go into the classwork grade assignment. So this one you're going to be working on independently. You can submit it through Google Classroom or on a separate sheet of paper. So what you're going to do, if you're doing a Google Classroom, you're going to make sure to submit these notes. Once you submit the notes, I can see them filled out. Either you take a photo or submit this document, and then I'll be able to see your work here. So in this box, I want to see your fact, your in-text citation, and your reference. But instead of using explainthatstuff.com, you're going to be using instead this Library of Congress article. Alright? So, just to give you a helpful hint here, you're going to be using this date right here, February 5th, 2002, as the date of the article being published. Alright? So, just to repeat that for the classwork, you're going to be completing that in this box here. all 3 steps are going in this box. So what took 2 boxes here is going in 1 box here. So you're going to find any fact from this article, either from the first or second page. Any fact. And then make the inline citation. And then make the reference. So another hint to help you with that is that, remember, if we don't have an author for the article, we've got to use the institution or organization instead. Alright? Good luck with that. And then once you've completed that, you're going to be working on doing the same thing, but for your science fair sources. This is going to be your exit ticket. Alright. Thanks for listening.